Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, like I promised, I'm going to be doing a daily duo kind of like setup for the week. Okay, so let's just get into it. I have kind of actually been using this planner like consistently. Of course it is still my like content planner, so of course I'm using that part, but I do like fully use it to jot down notes from my day so that when I sit down at the end of the day to plan out in my memory journal, I have like reference notes to look back at. So this works perfectly for that. I'm going to take these sheets out, and this is the kit we're using. So this is my very first time ever making a daily duo kit of any sort, and I love it. Like, it turned out better than I expected. So it's the same design as my previous video for the weekly plan with me from this week. So I don't know, it looks so much better in a daily duo format. So I know this will turn out perfect. So here are the date covers, and I already put the dates on there. And then here are boxes that it's like a little labels sheet. And then these are top boxes, which they turned out gorgeous. Here is the singular bottom box with the today scripts and the dots, and then the bottom boxes, which, oh, yes, I love it. Like, let's just get into this. I used this strip of washi from Simply Gilded because I felt like it matched the vibes with the rainbow florals, and I think it looks nice. So yeah, let's get into this. I've been waiting to use this kit since I made it and cut it, which, ugh, that's not a cut very well. Okay, perfect. So I'm just gonna line this up to that strip. Oh my gosh, there's like ever so slightly the tiniest little bug. I wonder if you guys, oops, I wonder if you guys can see that. Ew, oh my gosh, okay. Oh, I hate bugs. Okay. So yeah, there is the date header, and then let's put the top box down. So we're gonna turn this. Perfect. And then, so we're gonna like match them all. Okay. Oh, I love that. And then the today script. And that's what I'm gonna do for every day. That looks so cute. And then I'm just gonna go throughout the week, continue on to Tuesday. So Tuesday is orange. And actually, funny fact, I never really knew the whole Roy G. Biv. I don't know if I was just like not existent, or if my elementary school didn't like teach me anything like that. But like, I think I was in like high school when I heard the whole Roy G. Biv saying for like the Order of the Rainbow, and I was like, what are you guys talking about? And yeah, it was like a dumb moment I had there. I was like, what? But now every time I think of the rainbow, I sing the, what is it? Bubble Guppy song. Oh my gosh, that song gets stuck in my head. My daughters definitely went through the whole Nick Jr. Bubble Guppies phase. Now they love Blippi and, what is it? I forgot to put these down. They love Blippi and Coco Melon. Oh my gosh, my 2-year-old loves Coco Melon and Blippi. My 4-year-old, I mean, she'll watch it, but she loves the Miraculous Ladybug. It's like, it kind of, okay, I'm gonna go on a spiral here, but that show, like, if your kids watch that, am I the only one that actually, like, ends up sitting there watching that show? Like, it's such a good show, and it's weird. I don't know, but it kind of gives me, like, anime vibes. I don't know, you guys probably don't even know what I'm talking about. It's on Netflix, and they started playing it on Disney, too. So I flipped back here because I made these boxes to coordinate as well, for my work schedule. So the perks of making your own kits is you can make sure you have what you need. I feel like sometimes with the rainbow weeks, that I've tried to do in the past, like, I think the one I'm mainly talking about is the, Fern Creek mystery kit, that I purchased last December. I think I used that this year, but, like, I was noticing a lot of the things I needed for certain days, I didn't have in the color I needed, so that's why I really like making my own kits, because I can decide what goes where. So then here is Wednesday, but sometimes it's also hard, like, to, it's hard to, not with this kit, but, like, with my weekly, it's really hard to gauge what you'll need where. Yellow. And I'm going out of order, but it doesn't really matter. Alrighty. And then, like, this week, I totally forgot that I don't work Friday because I have an event in Detroit, that I took off for. So I made a full box in blue for Friday, but I might pick up to work a shift on Wednesday, so now I'll have that box for Wednesday. I don't really use the boxes anymore. I'm only using them for work, but then I typically just go in with my dot marker and dot out all the things that happen during the day, so it's not really that imperative for this kit, but just thinking through some things. So there is Wednesday. Again, I don't know if I'm going to work Wednesday or not yet, so I'm not going to put that down yet. And then we're just flying through this, but I'm loving how this is turning out. And I really wanted to film this. It's Sunday. I wanted to film it before the week started because I like having this there ready to go for me during the week, so I can just write down what I need to write down when it comes up. Moving forward, though, with the top boxes, I didn't do it for this kit because, actually, I'm not sure. I don't know. I really want to use the top boxes for deco, because there's not really anything I'm going to write in here, so I don't really need it to be an empty box, but moving forward, I want to do like a full, like, kind of like a full box for a weekly. What shop did I see? I think it's My Olive Blue. I've never purchased from her shop, but I've watched some of her videos, and I love the way she does her daily duo kits, so it's kind of where I caught that inspiration from. And we can put down work for Thursday because I do work Thursday. And I need a work script, which I made these, and I just stuck them in my reusable sticker book because I like needed them quite a bit in my memory planner. So there's Wednesday and Thursday. I love this kit. Oh my gosh. I knew this was going to turn out beautiful. All right, so now we're on Friday, which that full box I guess I could use for the event we're going to, so that will work. I'm so excited to go to Detroit. I don't know. It's not like Detroit. I mean, the event is in Detroit because it's at the Little Caesars Arena, but like the surrounding areas of Detroit are just so much fun. Like I live in a small little Michigan city where there's not much to do like at all. So whenever we go down by Detroit, we always have a blast. Like all the shopping centers and like, oh my gosh, Chick-fil-A, so good. And then we don't have a Chick-fil-A like anywhere near us, so we always go when we're down there. Like we love their lemonade. And then I'm not sure if I want to put this down yet because I don't really, I guess, you know, we're going to put it pretty low because we're not going to be getting home till super late. And that'll be like the last thing we do for the day. So yeah, we'll put that down there and let's go to Saturday. But their lemonade, oh my gosh, we get it every time we go. And then there's this store called Wing Snob. It's a restaurant. Best wings I've ever had. Like I can't even eat Buffalo Wild Wings anymore. Like Wing Snob ruined it for me. They're just so good. Yeah, we are definitely a big like foodie couple. Like I feel like everyone does it. Like they get in a relationship and then they go out to eat a lot. Like that was us for like the first year of our relationship. Like I don't know. Friday's endless apps. We were always there. Like I don't think they do them anymore, but when they were, we were there. Like they say you gain weight when you get into like a good relationship. So there's that sheet. But that is the truth. But I don't know. Yeah, we're going to SmackDown. It's a WWE show, which my boyfriend, he has watched ever since he was little, and he's like really big on that stuff. So, and we actually went to his first live show together in the beginning of our relationship in New York City at Madison Square Garden. So we go every time they come to Michigan almost. And it's kind of like our little thing. I watch it. I used to watch it because I had an older brother when I was younger. And my boyfriend's actually the same age as my brother. So he's like 2 months younger, but like my brother's 2 months older, but he watched it when we were younger. And all I remember, like I remember seeing Undertaker and like Kane, which my brother's name is Kane, so that's funny. I remember seeing them, but all I remember was like being mad because the whole family was watching it and all I wanted to watch was Barbies. But that's okay. Now I watch it with him. Not all the time, but the live shows are fun. So yeah, oh my gosh, I talked through the whole process. There is my week. Okay, I love how this turned out. So now we have these, which I'll probably use this one for Wednesday if I end up working. But other than that, I probably won't use any of these, like, not even gonna lie, because just the way I use my Daily Duo now, I don't really need them. But I can put them in like a reusable sticker book to use for another time or something like that. But yeah, I use all of these sheets. And as you can see, like I didn't really label much. I really want to make a new like branding for my kits and everything like that. These can get thrown away. Those are all gone. And I just have some numbers, which I'll save in a reusable sticker book as well. So these can just get left over to the side. But let's put all of this in my agenda, like back in my agenda. And we'll do a quick flip through. yeah, this extra notes page I don't really use for much either, but it's there if I need it. So here is the week. Let me make sure we're centered here. So here's Monday. And again, I just used my dot markers, so I'll either use gray or I'm probably gonna like try and match the best I can with the week. There's Tuesday, Wednesday. Oh, I love this. I'm definitely gonna make more kits for this because this looks so good. And I'm glad everything like sizing wise fit because I wasn't too sure. Here is Thursday, Friday. And Saturday, Sunday. I love this pattern on Saturday. So yeah, that is everything. Thank you guys so much for watching this video with me. Let me know how you feel about the kit. I think it turned out so pretty. And now once I start my own shop, I'm probably gonna like also offer daily duo kits because these, I really like how they turned out. But yeah, that is it from me. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know it was a shorter video, but anything in this planner moving forward really will be super short because I don't have anything to plan anymore. Like this is literally a notebook for me, just a dated notebook for me to go in and spill about everything that happened during the day. So that way once I enter this little daily journal, which look at how thick she's getting. I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to chunk her up, but I did, and she's like, this is only after not even 2 months, so I feel like she's going to chunk up pretty quickly. But once I sit down to do this at night, I have like a catalog to follow, so I know what happened. And yeah, let me show you before I go. I will show you how I set up this next week in my journal because I like how I did it. I actually switched some things up, which this is like a little sneak peek because you'll see next week when we do a setup video. Okay, so I'm switching over to a 2-page daily spread and I'm getting rid of that last page throughout the week. So here I did save that last page to be like a page to put pictures for the week. Well, I figured if I do 2 pages per day, I noticed also like I was running out of space for journaling, so I have more space for journaling and I can add pictures if I'd like. So this turned out really cute. Here's Wednesday, Thursday. Like I love this, and I love again how versatile this notebook is because I can like switch up from 1 page to 2 pages that easily. So yeah, and then I'm gonna use this card for right here at the end of the week, and then any washi or anything like that I get in, I can swatch over here, which I'm not sure I will have much coming in, so that's why I didn't tape this down, because if I don't, I'm not really gonna bother. But yeah, kind of not expected to share that, but I'm really excited with how that turned out. So yeah, here is, again, that is the end of this. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you on Friday with our August haul. Bye guys.